Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you guys how I achieve this like holiday-ish look. Christmas just passed, New Year's is coming up, so I want to give you guys a few ideas. This is a really natural unit for New Year's, seeing that it's like more on the New Year's, you think more glam, more curls, more waves, but you know, for some of us that are getting a little older, this is perfect. You know, I got the shimmery dress on, the bling, all that, so it's still very much glam. Okay, so you're gonna see in the video that I went through like 50 million different hairstyles until I just was like, you know what, keep it simple. You try to do too much, keep it simple. So if you want to see how I achieved this hairstyle, I did not record the makeup, so sorry, but I will link the tutorial to this makeup look below. I did a look similar to this like last year, so literally the same exact look, same exact concept, different products, but same concept if you're into this. So if you want to see how I got this look, then make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel and my new one, like this video, and keep watching. Alright girls and boys, time to roll up our sleeves and get into this install. So this wig is from RoyalMe Hair. You guys know I love their units because I'm a lazy girl, and they come, look at this hairline. It came pre-plucked, bleached to perfection, pre-bleached. Okay, comes with an adjustable headband inside, comes pre-colored, all of this. I didn't do anything but take this wig out the box and put it on my head. I did not even wash it. I know that's kind of trifling, but I didn't wash it this time because I just didn't feel like it needed it. I had a lot of confidence in this wig. I didn't think it needed any zhuzh. Okay, so all I'm doing is applying my wig with my Bold Hold Gold. Oh, I'm lying. I'm cleaning my hairline first with the Erica J Skin Guard. I realized when I apply this, I feel like my wigs just look a lot better and last way longer. They're not all crusty and dusty, so I really like this product. So now I'm going in with my Bold Hold Liquid Gold, and I broke it, so I'm gonna have to be applying it like this for a while until I get a new one. I was gonna just throw it away and get a new one, but like, stop acting up, Tasha. Okay, you could use the product. I just was really annoyed when it broke, so yeah. But I'm just applying my wig how I've been applying it, you know, same old. Apply the adhesive to the hairline, which is safe. It doesn't have any alcohol. It doesn't rip out your hairline. As long as you remove your wigs correctly, you won't have any issues. And I'm just pressing the lace into my hairline. So you guys are going to see me looking off to the side a lot because I actually recorded this on Christmas. Okay, like after lounging around all day and singing Christmas carols around the house, I started watching The Grinch. So The Grinch is literally my favorite movie. Like, I can watch The Grinch when it's not Christmas. I do watch The Grinch all year round. So you're gonna see me looking off to the side, and that's probably why I couldn't figure out how to do my hair, because baby girl was distracted. But anyways, so yeah, I'm just doing the same old with my wig. I'm just trying to figure out how I won this wig. This again is another top tier T-part lace unit. You guys know these are hard to come by because of the way they're constructed, but this hairline was seamless. I absolutely love how they did this hairline because it kind of had that widow's peak, which is amazing for me because naturally I have a widow's peak, so I love that. And also the hairline was super thin all around, but not in a bad way, like in a natural way. It wasn't super dense. So for some reason, unlike the other T-part units, I was able to put this one in a half up, half down because I had plans for this wig, baby. So I just knew in my head that it was gonna work, but I just couldn't get it right. I couldn't figure out if I wanted to flip it. I couldn't figure out if I wanted to curl it. You know, I saw this look on Kylie Jenner. I think she posted it on Christmas. It was when she had the little red sparkly dress on and she had like half up, half down. It was flipped. It was very elegant. I thought that's what I was going for because I was going for a nice party look, but that's not what happened. So I just stuck to what I know, and I just wore the wig how it's supposed to be worn. I just straightened it, but the wig is absolutely amazing. I love the lace. As you can see, this lace is melting into my skin, like, especially with this product. I keep forgetting the name of this product. I will leave it in the description box below when I figure it out, okay? But I absolutely love this. I love how it melts the lace into my skin. It's just amazing. But yeah, this hair came pre-colored and everything, and you guys, the quality was amazing. It reminded me of just natural, even relaxed, straightened, I don't know, hair. The length was perfect, the density was perfect, the hairline was perfect. Everything about this hair was amazing. So if you guys are interested in this wig, please check the description box below. I will have all the information down there waiting for you guys, ready for you guys to purchase, because it is about to be a new year and y'all need some new hair. Okay, period. We're going to the new year with good vibes, good energy, and new looks, period. Honestly, I'm just trying to figure out what kind of look I was going for, because it's giving very much, what's his name, Fork Lord. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Y'all know who I'm talking about. Look at this. Look at what's about to happen. Look at this. What is that? So that just was not working. And I really tried to pose, like I really tried to make it, and it wasn't happening, because despite how this looks on camera, it needs to be melted some more. I don't know why I didn't have my scarf melting it. But this hairline was to die for. The lace was to die for. I probably should have cut off more lace, but I've been liking more lace on it. It just looks a little better in my opinion. But then I tried to like curl it and go for a tassel look. I was so frustrated, you guys. And it wasn't the wig, it was me. I could not figure out how to style it, and I was so distracted focusing on this darn Grinch that you have seen literally 500 times. I have seen the Grinch. Anyways, so yeah, I didn't want to layer this unit. I didn't want to cut it because I just felt like it just didn't deserve to be ruined by me, okay? So I just went ahead and straightened it. After this clip, I just went ahead and straightened it. After I did my makeup, well, no, I did my makeup when my hair was like this, and then I went ahead and straightened it because it just flattered the look even better, and it looked absolutely amazing. I love this whole purple vibe. I loved everything. I think the purple complemented the ombre hair perfectly, and I was just really happy with it. So if you guys like this video, make sure you guys thumbs up this video for me. Subscribe if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, and subscribe to my other channel too. What was I gonna say? In this makeup tutorial, I know you guys are gonna be attached to my makeup tutorial. I did this look actually a year ago, and I watched the tutorial to see what I use on my eyes. So it's pretty much the same. I use my new current face products, but if you want this eye look, I'm gonna leave this look in the description box. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Make sure you guys like this video. I already said that. Anyways, mwah, bye. Love you guys.